Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's video is very important for all the .NET developers who wants to learn clean architecture. Or definitely guys, if I tell you like around the 90% .NET developers, they don't know like how to implement the clean architecture. And so I will show you that exact thing, that exact path, that how to create that setup in a very easiest way. Or I will explain you each and every concept behind the clean architecture. Along with that, we will implement the Mediator pattern in this project as well. Okay, like today's in like if I tell you that in the 2026 Mediator pattern is becoming more important for the companies as well. Okay, or we will see the like industry level implementation of the clean architecture. So don't worry guys, please stick in this video till the end so that you will get to know each and every concept behind of it. Or I must say that this video will become one of the best video on our YouTube channel as well. Okay, so let's see that how to implement the clean architecture. So there are if I explain you that how, like, what is the clean architecture, okay, or how the things should work. Okay, so most of you are aware about the clean architecture. Okay, and I am just hoping that you have, like, most of you have gone through with the clean architecture. Okay, and you have worked with the clean architecture project as well, but you don't know like what is the exact way to create the clean architecture from the scratch as well. Okay, so let me show you that how to make the things for you as well. Okay, so whenever you see the project in the clean architecture, so there are you will see a lot of layers as well. Okay, but the important layer that I am going to tell you. Okay, so like the important layers, the first layer we will see as a application layer, along, and the second layer is core layer, which I, or sometimes you will see as a domain layer. After that you will see the infrastructure layer, or the next thing is like API layer. So these are the four layers that we see in the clean architecture. So I will explain you each and every concept behind the clean architecture, like so that we can work with the later in this video as well. Okay, so in the API level, like we all know that we work with the API, like web API project as well. So this is a very fundamental that you know it very well. But but like, what's the thing we consist in the infrastructure? So in infrastructure layer always contains the things related to database related, like you write the repositories, you write the application DB context. Along with that, you write the migrations as well. And if you want to implement third party integration, so you have to do everything in the infrastructure. Or what is the core layer and the domain layer? Okay, so in the core layer, in the and the domain layer, you set the, like, you create the enums, classes, records, request bodies, and the response bodies as well, or like entities, DTOs. So everything is combines in the core layer, or even in the, like, even we call it as the domain layer. In case of application layer, we write the business logic here. So like there are the things are like related to each other. But but whenever the interview will ask you that what is the what is the clean architecture, so you have to tell to the interviewer, in the clean architecture, the core or the domain layer is independent. That's it. It is the proper answer that you need to answer you to any interviewer as well. The interviewer will definitely understand this line, like, okay, so like he has the knowledge of the clean architecture. This is why he is saying that clean architecture, in the clean architecture, core and the domain layer is the independent. I will show you that how to create the clean architecture as well. So without getting any delay, so let's get to jump to code directly. So this is the Visual Studio 2026, or like I will go with the latest version of the Visual Studio. Okay, or like we will create the clean architecture using the .NET 10. So, and if you are using the Visual Studio 2022, so it's totally up to you. Okay, like nothing is it is not mandatory, like you are creating the clean architecture in the .NET 10. Okay, so simply I will just create the ASP.NET Core Web API project. Simply in that, I would name it as a my clean architecture. That's it. That's a perfect thing. Clean architecture, superb. Or I would name it as a clean architecture.api. I think it is not a good idea. My app, that's it. my app, that's okay. So like, it's a good thing. Or simply I will just click the next. Thereafter I will choose the target framework as the latest version of the .NET 10. Okay, like we have to use this thing, or just you have to create the project, or there are several things that we will see in this video. Please stick in this video, guys. I just want to request that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues on network as well. Or like in our community we have around 4,000 members on our LinkedIn profile, or along with that 820 plus subscriber on our YouTube channel. So don't worry, guys, you will see everything in this clean architecture. So this is the very basic template of the any API. Now let's directly jump to the creation of the like library class libraries. Okay, so just you have to find the class libraries. Okay, click on the next, or first layer we will create as a my app dot I would name it as a application, the application layer. Superb. Click on the next. Thereafter, like the target framework is .NET 10. Superb. So that we have created the first layer. Now the next layer that I'm gonna to create it as a core layer. So my app dot core. Even you can name it as a domain layer as well, but I love to name it as a core layer. Okay, so it is totally up to you, like what's the name you want to prefer. Or the next thing that I want to add as an infrastructure, so my app dot infrastructure. So that's the very infrastructure. Superb. uh, Click the next, create your class library like this. So we have around 4 layers in the clean architecture, as we already discussed earlier, that we in clean architecture we have only 4 layers: application, core, domain, infrastructure, APIs layer. Okay, or like we have these three, like these 4 things in this project. Now first what you need to, yes, first to clean these things as well. Like we don't need these things anymore, so simply I will just clean everything from here. So so we have cleaned up all the things. Now what you need to hear, first we have to add the references of each and every layers to the each other. Okay, it's like how to do this thing as well. Okay, or this is a very important step while you are implementing the clean architecture, or this is the most confusing part as well. So please stick in this video, and please focus in this video as well, like what the actual thing that I'm gonna to do here. Okay, so for the application layer, what for the API layer, what you need to here, go to first you have to add the project reference of application layer or infrastructure layer. Like your API will access the application layer and the infrastructure layer directly. So simply I will just click OK. Thereafter your application will layer will add the reference of the core layer. Super. Click OK. Thereafter your infrastructure layer will hold the reference of the application layer. So thereafter you have to add the project reference of the application layer in the infrastructure. So this is a very important step that you need to follow here. Or in this process you have seen that like your core layer is independent, like your core layer is not adding any reference of the other layers, like the applications layer, infrastructure layer, or API layers. Okay, so please keep this thing in mind. As we already told you in this video, that in the clean architecture your core or domain layer will become the independent. That's it. So we have set up all the things right now. Now what's the next thing that you need to know? We need to add some dependency injections as well, or like we have to add some packages as well.
Also in the infrastructure we have to we have to write so many things here. So first first we have to add the NuGet packages as well. Or this is the very important step that you need to do here. Or we all know that in the infrastructure we only put the database related things and the third party APIs implementation things as well. So first what you need to here simply Microsoft.entity framework core. So the first package that I'm going to install in this my app dot infrastructure, or it will take around 10 to 15 seconds of the installation as well. Or we will install four packages as well. So please stick in this video till the end. Or the second package that I'm going to install, Microsoft.entity framework core. Click the install button. There I will accept the this the terms and conditions. The third package that I'm going to install, Microsoft Entity Framework Core Design. So just you have to install it like the previous one. Or now the final package that we are going to install, which will be tools as well. So right now I am not able to see the tools as well. So first let's finish this package solution of this package as well. So the now let's accept the things. Or I think still okay. So the tools as well. So like we will install the tools as well. So these are the four packages that you need to install in the infrastructure layer. Like we are gonna to set up the DB related things in this layer as well. Okay. Now we have done all the things. Thereafter, like these are the four packages that you have to work on it. Now what you need to here, simply I will just add a class. So what first I will add the data folder. In the data folder, like we have to define the entities as well. So the entities so at this moment we are not adding the entities here. First what you need to here, in the data folder we will add the application DB context classes. So we will add the application DB context. Super. Or click on the add button, or simply just make it as a public class application DB context. Or we all know that your DB context DB context super. Or thereafter what you need to here, simply I have to define the DB context options as well. So DB context options, or the application DB context. Thereafter what you need to, yes, options. Or now let's go to the things like this. So we have set up the DB context here. Or this is a very important thing there, and the very fundamental thing that you need to know. Now what you need to here, simply first we have to define, like we have to create the dependency injection classes as well. So dependency injection, or click on the add button. So so everything we are doing in the infrastructure layer. Super. uh, so public static. Or if you don't know why I am setting it as a static class and why I am doing all the things as a static, I will tell you later in this video. Please see the things like what the thing I am actually doing here. So I service collections, or I will name it as a add infrastructure DI. That's it. Or I would use as a I will pass the I service collection here. Thereafter, like you have to return the services like this. So in such a way, like you can create the dependency injections, or all these things, all these things we add in the middleware as well. What if or in So if you want to see like what is the iService collection, so simply you have to go in program.cs. Thereafter you will see that if you want to add, like we have the middleware says like okay. Or thereafter you will see the return type of the this middleware is iService collection, or the method is defined as the add controllers method. Okay, so like this, so all the things related to the middleware, so you will see return type as a iService collection. So this is why I am using the middleware like this. Now what you need to here, we have in the infrastructure we have added the application DB context. Thereafter, you will see that we have added the dependency injections as well. Now simply what you need to define here, I will just register my application DB context, so add DB context. Thereafter you have to mention the your application DB context as well. So this is my class. Thereafter, I will just initialize the things with the options. So and options with dot use SQL use SQL server. Thereafter, you have to you have to create the connection string here. So what's the connection string where there we create in the ASP.NET Core. So the connection string, first you have to define the server name, or now I think I have installed the server in my system. So this is the new look of the SQL Server Management Studio 2022. Okay, or I have reinstalled this thing as well, or nowadays there is a option is available in the dark mode. Okay, so sounds interesting. So till here, what you so we have defined the server. Database, I will define the database as a what's the name? Clean architecture, not like this. My app, clean architecture CA, that's it. Or what you need to hear, trusted connection, you have to make it as a true. Or trust server certificate, you have to make it as a true. Or there is no any encryption that I there is no any login credentials I don't want to add here. So I will just add the encrypt equals to false. That's it. So these are the things in such a way you can define the things here. Or I will just connect my SQL server here. Or thereafter, what you need to simply just you paste your server like this. Or we have a login in the SQL server. So now we have set up all the things in the infrastructure layer. Now let's move to the infrastructure DB context, dependency injection. Super. Now let's copy this class or this file, or paste it in each and every layers. Okay, so the things that I'm gonna do, copy this class here or paste it here. Super. I don't need this thing like this, or paste like this. Super. So we have set up all the things here. Or what you need to here in the dependency injections. So at this moment you will see that it will ask me to install the package of the dependency injections. So what you need to here simply okay, so extensions dot it is not asking me to install this package as well. Why it is so? First, the package, I think I made a mistake here. Now let's remove this class as well. We made a very big mistake here, fortunately. So we have to add the classes one by one here. Okay, so we have defined the application, not application, uh, dependency. Okay, dependency injection. Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are loving this content, if you are loving this video, or if you are facing any issues, guys, it means you have skip the lecture as well. Public static, or thereafter you have to define I service uh, I service collections. Or thereafter it will definitely ask me to okay. So what you need to here, simply in the go to your NuGet package manager in the for your core layer. So just you have to type the dependency injection dot extensions as well. So this is the package that you need to install. Microsoft extension dot dependency injections dot abstractions. Okay, so uh, I will just copy this package as well, so, or I will just install this package in the core layer. So I think we have fixed the issues, or now let's show the potential fixes like this. So like in such a way, like you can remove this error as well. So add core di superb, or return what you need to here, return as. Okay, so this I service collection or services, guys. All right, that's perfect. Now let's move to the application layer. In the application layer, you have to do the same thing as well. So we have to define the dependency injection class here, or click the add button, public static, or I will just copy these things here, or rest the things like this. So we have set up in the application layer as well. I would name it as a add application layer. Superb. Now what you need to here, go to the like in the API level, we have to create the uh, dependency class injection as well here. Okay, so dependency injection, that's it. Or public static. Thereafter what you need to here, we have to define the public static or I service collection, or add API DI, or this service collection, or simply I will just return the services like this, or I don't need these things anymore. So we have, so you see that what the things are going on here. So first we have defined the dependency injections in each and every layers, or in the infrastructure layer you will see that we have set up the things in the dependency injections. So first, now later on, what you need to hear, we will create the migrations as well, in this structure. So go to the NuGet package manager console, or we will add the migration, or on which project you want to add. I want to add in the infrastructure, as we already discussed in this video, whenever you create the things, implement the things in the database related things, so you have to do all the things in the infrastructure. Or guys, what you need to hear, in the dependency injection of the APIs, you have to define the things as well. Okay, you have to use the services dot add infrastructure DIs as well. Or thereafter, you have to define the add application DI as well. So all such things you have to define like this. Thereafter, in the program CS, you have to add the services dot add API DI. So in such a way, you have to define the things like this. Okay, or now let's open the uh, NuGet package manager console, or now add the migration. So add migration command, or I will just name it as a db init, or just hit the enter. We all know these process as well, but the implementation of the clean architecture is not a piece of cake. But I try to explain each and every concept in a very easy way. I hope you get to know ideas about the clean architecture and how the things are working here. So it is asking me your startup project, my app.api doesn't reference Microsoft.entity framework code design. This package required for the entity framework code tools to work. Okay, so it is telling me I have to install another package. Okay, so just go there or write the search for the entity here, or like we have to like install the design package in the API project, or like what is the purpose to use the design entity framework core, because whenever you go with the migrations as well, so at that moment like you will definitely need the this package as well. So just add the migration again or with the db in it. Thereafter like you will notice that we will found the migration folder in the infrastructure. Thereafter like we will add the update database with the query as well. So I will show you that how the things exact thing that you will notice here. So at this moment you will see like nothing is happened in the migrations. Okay, so now let's I forgot to add the entities as well. So what you need to here simply I don't I will just delete this folder again, move to the core layer. I will add a new folder. In this folder, I will define the entities. Okay. Thereafter, you have to add the like student entity. So student, that's it. Or public class as well. So like what you need to here, I will just define the student name, this student not description. I will add the class or it's public string parent like father name. Okay, father name or public string mother name. So like in such a way like you can define the things as well. Or now let's make the things now let's fix this level issues as well. So that's the very good thing. I hope you are definitely loving this video as well. So guys, trust me, this is one of the best is and easiest way to explain the clean architecture as well. Or in fact, I'm enjoying while I'm creating this video for you as well. Okay, so just open the. I think what the mistake I made here. Okay, open Solution Explorer. Uh, I think I made a mistake here. What the exact thing? Oh, super. Thank God. Now open the infrastructure application DB context. Now it's time to register your uh, entities as well. So we have created a student entity, or like we will define it as a students or get set. So first entities that we are gonna to add in this in our table, or I hope you love this thing as well, or like you will be like you will see that like how things are actually looking very good. Okay, now it's time to add the tools. Go back again to the package NuGet package manager console, or now add the again migration again, or thereafter like you will be surprised that when we will update the database with the migration query, so thereafter everything will be done automatically. So and in fact most of you know like aware the things about it. Okay, so I don't think like you won't face any issues as well. Or now let's do some changes as well. I think we have to do things as well. Okay, so the identity is set up already here. Super. So all the things are done here from my side. uh, Go to the NuGet package manager console, update your database with the update database command, or just hit the enter. Thereafter you will see like you will see all the changes will be reflect in the database, so you don't need to worry about anything. So you will see that like we make it as a done. Okay, now let's move to the database copy. I would love to refresh the database here, or open the database like this, or we have to find a my app clean architecture and the tables, we will find these two tables as well. Or we already know that what is the purpose to maintain the entity framework migration history. Like whenever we work with the entity framework, so we will get this table additionally. Like if this table maintains the migrations as well, migration histories. Okay, so we have done all the things in the infrastructure. Now let's create the repositories as well. Okay, or we will write the logics to insert, update, delete, and all such queries as well. Okay, add the folder. I would name it as the repositories. Just hit the enter. Thereafter, I will add a new class. In this class, what exact thing I'm gonna to add here. I will add the student repositories. Student repository. That's it. Or hit the enter. Thereafter, you have to define the things like this. So I will initialize the application db context class with the primary constructor. Or so like we have added the dependency injection of the application db context. Now let's create the methods for get all students by id, delete student, add students, update students, or these five things are good enough for this video as well. Okay, so we have so it's like we I would love to define it as a first action that I'm going to take add as async or the list of not list I enumerable. Guys, I just want to ask you that why I wrote the enumerable instead of list, and if anyone give the answer of this questions, the guys, definitely I will give the shout out to that person as well. Or thereafter, you have to define, you have to write the return or await under context dot students. Okay, I think application db context. Okay, or, or it is context dot students. Why it is not showing the things like this? The public db set. Okay, so it should be public, not like this. So the public students dot to list async. So in this method, with this method we will get the things like this. Now what you need to here, just go to the and method as well. We will create the public async task, or it will return me the student uh, data. Okay, or get student by id async. Or we all know that we should always consider async as well. Integer student id. Thereafter you have to define, you have to return the like a return await context dot student dot first one default async. Or now let's find the student with the id as well. So in such a way, you can find the students as well. So this is a very fundamental thing that we are doing here. Or public async task or student. Oh, now it's time to add the student as well. So add student async or sync. It's async, not async. Okay. What you need to here, I will just add the student here, student like this. Thereafter, like what you need, I will just add the context dot students dot add thereafter. So this is how like you can do the things as well. Await context or save changes, or we will just simply we will return the students as well. So this is how like we can work with these things as well. I hope you love this thing as well. Now it's time to update the students as well. So I like what I'm actually thinking now. I'm just thinking that I should uh, copy and pasting the things as well. So like our time won't get wasted as well. Even your time is very important for you. Okay. So integer ID, student ID. First, we will get the student the student that I am gonna to work here, or sync, or just you have to find the students with the ID, or so I would student data super, or copy this thing here, or just you have to mention the things as well. So data dot name equals to student name, data dot father name equals to father name, data dot mother name equals to mother name, data dot class dot student class. Thereafter you have to define the data dot father name, the mother name, classes. I think we have added all such things, such basic things here. Or okay, so like I don't need the things, I don't need to add such things anymore. Or I will just add the update the students like this, or I like at which moment I will just update the student if the data is not null. Thereafter I will update the data like this, or super. I don't need this save changes async while I am working with the entity framework core. Or so in such a way like you will see that like how to work with the CRUD operations in the infrastructure layer. Or trust me guys, clean architecture is becoming the trending architecture as well. Or in fact the companies are creating the project using the clean architecture because of its the maintainability and code readability as well. In fact I must say that I faced so many times I love the clean architecture as well. Or the in the previous years. Okay, so I see that we worked with the .NET framework projects as well. Or I face so many issues regarding the your controller becomes the 50,000 line of code as well. Yes guys, like we have worked with the 15,000 lines of codes in the single controller as well. So this is why I truly love the clean architecture as well. Or definitely guys, you will definitely you should learn the clean architecture as well. So this is why I thought I should create the clean architecture. In fact, I got a lot of DMs from you sir, we want the tutorial on the clean architecture with the Mediator. So so today I got the time for recording this video as well. Now now let's uh, create the method to delete the records as well. Or so the written type of the string type, that's it. Like I simply I will just to return the message as well. So delete student async, or integer id. Super. Thereafter you have to get the data as well. So await student async first of default as x.id. So we have found this, we have find the student. Thereafter, context dot students dot remove, or just you have to pass the data, all the data as well. Or thereafter, simply it will just return the message as well, like student is deleted successfully. I hope you love this thing as well, and you like actually you are loving this video as well. That is why like you are still watching the tutorial as well. Or if you love this video, if you love this content, I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, or support. Like we need your support as well. So at this moment you have seen like we have added all the very basic, all five basic operations regarding the CRUD operations. Okay, thereafter like we have set up all the things in the infrastructure layer. Now let's go to the in fact what now let's go to the application layers, or we have to like add the dependency injections of these repositories as well. So I will just first I will create the interfaces uh, as well, in the application layer. Or what you need to here, simply I will just add the infrastructure, or not the classes, add items, show all templates, interfaces, or I student repository. Click the add button. I would make it as a public as well. Okay, so public interfaces. So in such a way, like you have to define the interfaces as well. I hope you love this video and you love this content as well. Now, now let's register these interfaces here. Okay, first we have to shift the interfaces like this. Thereafter, what you need to here, I think that's good. Superb. First, if you want to register your service, like if you want to define the interfaces as well, and if you want to declare the interface your methods in the interfaces, so what there is a simple step that you need to follow. Just copy these things from the start to your brackets, just paste it here. Simple. I don't do anything. I don't think anything while I am doing this thing in the interfaces as well. In fact, I love I love this thing very much as well. Okay, I know guys you are laughing at me at this time, but guys trust me, like I am very obsessed with this clean architecture as well. Okay, I really enjoy work with the clean architecture. So you have seen that like all the things we have all the things are referencing to the interfaces as well. Or now there is no any error we found here. Now let's go to the dependency injections of the application layer. Thereafter you have to register your service with the your repository as well. So I student repository like this. So in such a way you have seen that like how to work with the infrastructure layer, how to work with the these things as well. So I hope you love this thing as well. Or what you, now let's now it's time to add the mediator pattern in the application layer. Okay, so if you want to work with the mediator pattern, so you make sure you have to work with the application layer. Your application layer will contain the business logics as well. So what is the mediator pattern, or why we need it? So mediator pattern, there is a two types of things that we do here in the mediator pattern. Or this is a very important thing, and nowadays when the enterprise level projects will follow the Mediator pattern because of its maintainability as well. Because you will see here all the things are related to the read queries, so all the things will go in the query mediator classes, or whenever you want to up certain updates, deletes, inserts, so all the things will go in the commands as well. Because so if I tell you it is a CQRS pattern kind of things. Okay, so if you know like what is the CQRS pattern, so in the CQRS pattern we just define the commands and queries separations at the separate level. Okay, so this is how you should always opt the mediator pattern. So let's see that how to work with it as well. So if you want to work with the mediator pattern, so just keep this thing in your mind, like you have to install the mediator package in the application layer. Now let's move to the mediator layer. Okay, so what you need to here, simply I will just click on the manage NuGet packages, go browse your package, which name it as a Mediator. That's it. This is the package that I want to work here. Or there is a very simple like a beautiful icon you will see here. Okay, or you make sure that like you are installing the latest version of this package as well. So superb. So you have installed such all such things here. Very good. Now what you need to here, just you have to lot of things here. So simply I will just create two folders. First you have to create the commands, thereafter like you have to create the query folder. Very good. So in the query I have to name it as in the queries. That's it. Not query, and now it's named as a queries. Superb. Or if you want to register your mediator in your APIs, so what you need to here, just go to the dependency injections, or I would just register it as a if you want to register your mediator as well, so just you have to go to the mediator uh, NuGet. Just search this thing here, open your mediator package in the nuget.org website, or there is a code which always written as a service add mediator. Okay, register services from assembly or type of the startup assembly. Superb. So we have to add this thing in the dependency injections of the application layer, paste the things here. Superb. Thereafter I will just define, I will just patch the things like this, or the type of the service, and so type of the service is dependency injections. So I hope you love this thing and you love this approach as well. Or at this moment in the API level, you will see that we are adding the dependency injections of the application DI. Okay, so the things which is defined here automatically goes in the API layer as well. So this is how the things with the beautifully designed with the clean architecture as well. Now let's create the commands as well. If you want to create the commands, the first you have to add the classes as well. So first what you need to here, so first I will try to get the list as well. So get all students. Okay, I would just name it as a commands, not commands, it should be where in which folder I will just add in the queries folder. Super. So get all commands, uh, not all commands, query. Okay, so students command, no, it should query, query, or just hit the enter. Thereafter you have, so what you need to here, as we already discussed in this video, your mediator pattern always follow the CQRS kind of things. In the CQRS, like you define, like you separate the commands and the queries as well. Okay, or queries, like if you want to read the data from the database, so you have to work with the queries. But if you want to like do some changes as well, like CRUD operations kind of thing, so you have to go with the commands as well. So this is the you have to make sure that things like if you want to separate the things in a very good way, so you have to make sure that things like which things you have to put in the query folder or like commands folder. Okay, or guys, trust me, like you will definitely love this video as well if you're still watching this video till here. Okay, so public record, uh, I will just copy the things here, or the classes that I will name it as a handler. So I will explain you like what are the things that I'm gonna do exactly here. So at this moment, like there is no anything that we want to pass in the like get students here. Okay, or I will just add the I request here, or like what the request that I want to made with the things here. Okay, so just open the student repository. I want to I want to get the this kind of things. Okay, so I'll just paste it here, or just add the semicolon. That's it. So we have add the records here. Thereafter you have to add the I request handler. Thereafter you have to define the get student query. Very good. Thereafter you have to define the things like what the actual result you want to get with this API. Just you have to mention the things as well, or what you need to just show the potential fixes, and you have to implement your request like this. Okay, in the classes you have to add the I student repository superb, or I will just I will just call the I will just call my APIs as well. So return student repository dot get students async. Simply I will just uh, add the semicolon here. So I hope you get to know ideas about like how to add the mediatory like mediator R in the like in the clean architecture. Okay, so this is a very beautiful thing. Please, if you still not digest this approach as well, don't worry guys, I will explain you again. Okay, yeah, like I know like this is a very crucial step, or still 90% of you are not don't get this thing as well, like what the things actually I had here. Okay, so your like we all know that it follows the CQRS pattern. CQRS pattern means like you create you add the separations of them, commands, queries, commands and queries as well. Okay, so in the queries folder, simply I would I just want to add the query. Like I just want to read the data. That's it. I don't want any kind of CRUD operations. Thereafter you have to create the classes as well, or I have just added the record. In the I request you have to tell to the I request here like what the result I will get with this method. Okay, so this method will return me I enumerable student. So simply I have just mentioned the things here. Superb. Thereafter I have to I will define, I will create the classes as well. In the classes I will call it as the query handler classes. In the query handler classes you have to inherit the I request handler. In this handler, your first parameter will be your record, like what the record you want to use here. Thereafter you have to define the things like what the return like what the like what will be your return type as well. So this is your return type from this API I enumerable student. So this I know this is a very complex thing, but guys trust me, whenever you feel comfortable with the Mediator, so definitely guys you will feel confident with this thing as well. Okay, so you have seen you have see the setup of the things in the Mediator as well. So I like still there are four APIs is still pending. So I will explain you, or I will explain you each and everything here. So first I will just add the controller in the API level, or add the controllers, or that's it. Thereafter you will see the pop-up box, or in the pop-up box, like I will select the API controller. Just click over here, add button, or the beautiful thing that I want to add here as a student controller super dot cs. Very good. Now what you need to here, simply there is, please keep this thing in our mind, like this is a very crucial step that we are going to perform here. Okay, so I first method that I want to add here, http get, or get all students super, or public uh, I action, not public async task I action result. Thereafter, I will just name this method as a get all students. Thereafter, what the thing that you want to use here. So I want to use the iMediator. So you have to call the iMediator. Thereafter, like the mediator like this. So or if you want to call this method, so simply just you have to use the await mediator dot send method. Thereafter you have to define the with the new keyword, you have to copy this thing here or paste it here, or well, in such a way, like you can define the things as well, or simply you will get the result from there. Okay, so I hope you get to know ideas about the clean architecture as well. Or what you need to hear, simply I will just add the debugger here, or there, or here, or or uh, where is the implementation of this thing there. So now let's run the application. Thereafter you will get to know ideas about the how the APIs are working, and how the mediator pattern is working as well. I know at this moment you are feeling is you are feeling stuck at this moment, but still there are four APIs is still left. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything. So it is telling me like cannot instantiate type of the iStudent repository for a service type, or iStudent repository. Okay, it's like where the problem is occurring. Let me go there. So in the application layer, so I have registered. Okay, so okay, I made a mistake here. Student, not this student repository, where the repository is defined. It is defined in the student repository here. Okay, simply I will just copy this thing here, or I will go there, paste the things here. Okay, thereafter you have to I think unfortunately I make the mistake, uh, student repository. Okay, so I'm accessing the application layer in the infrastructure layer. Okay, so I have to add the I have to add the things here. Okay, I have to register the classes here. That's it. Super. So paste the things here. Okay, so we have registered our repositories in the infrastructure there. Sorry, I forgot to add the things like this. Sorry. Okay, now let's rerun the application. I hope you get to know ideas about what the mistakes that I have done here. In fact, like you are smart enough to get the ideas out as well. Okay, so where the API, or now let's move to the HTTP file. Thereafter, what you need to here, simply I will just add the methods here. Okay, so API slash or where your controller, where my controller is. So controller is defined here, or I will just pin this controller like this. The method name is get all students, so you have to define the methods like this. Oh, super. Now it's time to send the request. So it like like what the exact thing that is telling me, it is telling me like method not found. Okay, API student control. Okay, so I have to define the student controller, or it's time to send the request. Thereafter you have to go the methods like this. Or now I'm gonna do, I'm just going there, or like we got the response, or at this moment we have no anything in the in the database as well. So this is why like I'm getting the empty array. That's it. Super. There is no any issues. Now let's add the post method. I think I have to open the postman as well. Let me see like postman is available or not. Okay, so like okay, that's a very good thing. Otherwise I like so now let's wait for the open the postman. I love the swagger as well, but swagger is not available in the .NET 10. This is why like we are getting these issues as well. So now let's wait for the few things as well. Guys, there is a one important thing I want to tell you, that please, if you are still watching this video here, so it means like you are actually loving the content as well, and you are actually learning a very good thing. Guys, I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues on network as well, and hit the like button. Or yesterday, I dropped a video on the Docker in one shot, and I got a very good response on that video. So guys, if you are if you don't know like what is Docker, and if you are planning to learn the Docker as well, guys, trust me, your Docker this Docker video will be a game changing video for you as well, and for your career as well. Okay, please go and watch the video that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. So okay, I think the postman is not working. mm, like I have to, bad luck, no issues, very good. Or now what you need to hear is, first we have to go to the mediator again. In the mediator, now let's open the application layer. Or now if you want to add the students, so you have to go to the you have to add the commands classes as well. Okay, so I will just go to the, I will just add the classes, or I would name it as a uh, add student commands command. That's it. Okay, very good. Public class, or I will create the records as well. So public record, or add command, add student command, or this is the handler, or the method. So if you want to add any student, so what you need to use first, you need the a model, this model will pass you through this model, like you can pass the values as well. So I will just add the students. So student model that I'm going to use. Thereafter you have to student. Okay, thereafter you have to define I request. Thereafter I will define that what the things that actually I want here. Or now let's open the student repository. Or at this moment I want to use here, what the return type of this API is student type. So very good. So thereafter I will go there, or mention the things like this. So we have added the records in such a way. Thereafter you have to call the I student repository with the primary constructor. Or I will add the I request handler or this request handler will first you have to define the uh, what is your record name. Thereafter I will define the what the written type of this application as well, is this API as well. Okay, thereafter I will implement the interfaces as well. Or now let's return student uh, repository add student. Thereafter super. Oh, it is still it is telling me where the problem is happening. Okay, so add student async or request uh, dot student. So in such a way, like you can you can take the benefits of the mediator pattern in this thing. Okay, thereafter what you need to do is simply I will just go to my controller. We have added the commands here, or I will add the http post or add student. Thereafter you have to add the API, so public async task I action result add student. Thereafter you have to define the student as well. Okay guys, in fact you can use the dative as well, but I so for your learning purpose, and for the make the videos fast, I am just directly using this thing as well. A mediator send or add student command here. Very good. You have to you have to pass the student as well uh, in such a way you can define the you can return the results with the OK status. So I hope you get to know ideas about these things as well. Or you have to go to the http file. In the http file you have to add the things like this. Thereafter I will add the things. Okay, the content type that I want to mention here, content type. Very good. Or I will add I will add the JSON. In the JSON what the exact thing I want to pass here, or you have to mention the form body as well. This is a very fundamental thing that you should know as well. Okay, or now let's define the JSON. So Rohan Kumawat, very good. Class as well. Okay, class that I want to add a class or B tech, very good. Or father name or Rajendra. Guys, if you you get to know ideas about how to work with the mediator pattern. I know for the first insight, for the first sight you will feel what the I don't know what why I'm learning this mediator pattern. Okay, you will definitely feel this thing, but whenever you become a pro in the mediator pattern, guys, trust me, you will become super senior. If you know about the implementation of the clean architecture and the mediator pattern as well, and you will get the very high level of the respect in your company as well. Okay, thereafter we have sent the request. So in the response we got the name, class, father name, mother name, or with the ID 1. Or if I send the request to get all the student records, thereafter you will see that we are getting the students record in this API. So I hope you get to know how things are working with each other, and how to work with the mediator pattern as well. Trust me guys, whenever you start working with the mediator pattern, then definitely guys you won't love anything as well. Okay, So I like definitely guys, and this is my uh, true love. Okay, there what you need to hear. We have added the like we are getting the old student records. Now it's time to delete the records as well. Okay, so what I will just go to the command section, or I will add the classes here, or I will just name it as a uh, delete student command. Very good. uh, Public record, or delete student command, or this is my record. Or if you want to delete any record, so definitely guys you will need the id of that row. Okay, so at this moment, like I have the id row. Now I request, or you have to define this, like what the method, like what will be return type of this API. So I have defined the string type. If you want to cross check this, you have to go to the student repository, and the delete method defines the method like student is deleted successfully. Superb. Thereafter, like this is a handler, so you have to define the handler class, or you make sure that like you have you have added the public keyword here. Okay, now you have to define I request handler, or you have to add the delete student command, or this, and the return type is string type. So in such a way, like you can define the things, or add the implementation of these interfaces. uh, Now just add the return, await, or mm, I forgot to inject the student repository. Very good. Student repository dot delete student async, or request dot id. That's it. So I want to pass the IDs like this. Or if you want to delete the record, so you have to call the API http delete, or delete student. Very good. Okay, ID that I want to define the ID like this. Public async task action result. Okay, guys, please don't please keep this thing in your mind while you are working with the clean architecture. Like you will like you have to define, like you have to uh, keep attention while you are uh, learning the clean architecture as well. Once you become pro in the clean architecture, no one can stop you to become the .NET architect as well. Okay, so this is the powerful thing of the .NET architect, or in fact, I am the .NET architect too. Uh, Return with the OK status, or you have to define the results as well, or you have to add the from route as well. Like we are getting the ID from the route of the endpoint. Okay, so what you need to here, simply go open your HTTP file. Very good. I will just pin this file here. Okay, or simply I will just copy or paste this API here. I will just run this application, or delete student API. Okay, or the ID that like I will pass the ID here, or the API type is delete, ALETE. Very superb. Okay, so or, or I have to define the slash here, triple slash. If you also, first we will get the result of all the students. So I want to now let's add the result of any other student as well. BCA, this is my sister, or send the request. So in such, so we are getting the or these two student records. I want to delete the record of the parallel. So simply what I will do here, I will just pass the ID to. Thereafter you have to send the request. You will see that the student is deleted successfully. Or if you send the request, so you will get that like there is no record is available of the parallel Kumawat. So this is the implementation that we have done, or I have explained you each and everything regarding here. Okay, we forgot to update the results as well. Okay, so I get to know this thing right here. Okay, add the result at the command classes. I will update the update student uh, command. Very good. I will just make it as a public class, a public record, or the class that I want to copy here, or paste it this thing here, or that. Or first, what you need to here, we have to like we have to pass the two things. First is ID. Thereafter, like we have to pass the student as well. Okay, student model as well. Or I request or this request, what that this request will return me. Just go to the student repository. So this is my student repository, and I want to check this is, so it will return me the student type. Superb. So I have to define the student as well. So guys, till here you get to know ideas about the things like how the mediator works as well. Or I you have to like inject your student repository, or like you have to request handler, or you have to define the uh, update student command. Or you have to make sure that like thing is working properly. So show potential fixtures, or thereafter what you need to here, simply I will just return await or student repository dot update student async, or I or in the first parameter that I want to pass is this request dot id, and the second parameter dot I want to pass request dot student. So so these things is mandatory to pass in the update of student API. Okay, thereafter what you need to do, just go to your controller. In the controller I will just create the API HTTP put, or I would use the like update student, or with the ID student ID as well. Like this is a very important step, please don't skip this step anymore. Public async task I action result, or update student here. Or first what you need to, I will just add the like first we will get the from route. Okay, like from the routing, like we will try to get the ID. Okay, so from or integer ID. Thereafter, like you have to pass the like from body as well, or for result equals to await mediator, or dot send new, or update student command. You have to pass the ID and student as well. Like this record requires to send these things as well. So I hope you get to know ideas about the mediator pattern as well. First, what you have to copy this thing. I will just run this application, or I don't want to wait this thing here. Okay, now let's define the things like this. I will just copy this point, or there. So this API is the port type, so POT, or the API name is update student. Very good. First, what we will get here? First, I will try to get the results. So the results that I'm going to getting here. Okay, or now let's wait to for the response as well. I like why it is taking time. I don't know why. Okay, I think there is so okay. I think like are we getting the results? Yes, we are getting like send the request again. Okay, so like there was updation issue. So we will update the records of the Rohan Kumar. So we have to pass the ID one. Or now let's define the all such things as well. I want to update the name Rohan Kumar as a Rohit Kumar or LLB. Okay. Or if I send the request, thereafter you will see that we are getting the results as well. Or if you want to check the things as well, so you will see. Okay. I think there is a common issues that we are facing here. Okay, let me go there. Like, what's the exact thing that we are facing here? Okay, so first we got the result. If the data is not null, so we will get the results here. Okay, or await context dot save changes async. Now let's hot reload this thing here. If I send the request again, let me check it again. So you will see that we are getting the Rohan Kumar LLB. Or if I send the request, so it is still telling me that like Rohit Kumar. Why it is thing like why it is causing this issues? Okay, let me check it here. So if the result is update student context, it is okay. It should be data, not student. This is why we this is creating the another row. Okay, please keep this thing in your mind while you're working with the link query. Okay, now let's send the request. So you will see that we are getting the results. I will delete the record number 3. Very good. Or the record number 4 as well. Okay, very good. Or if I send the request, thereafter you will see that still we have the Rohit Kumawat. Or if I want to update this thing Rohan Kumawat with the MBBS or send the request, thereafter you will see that okay, still everything is looking fine. Very good. So all the things are working fine, all the things are working properly. So I hope you love this video, you love this content, or this is the thing, this is how we can create, we can implement the clean architecture along with the mediator pattern as well. Or you have learned the latest and the modern way to create the applications in the .NET Core. Or if you love this video, if you love this content, guys, I just want to request you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, to colleagues, as well. Or guys, I just want I'm expecting the a very good response on this video as well. Please keep sharing this video to maximum audience like you who wants to learn the .NET with me. Okay. Or guys, one important that I want to ask you that on our YouTube channel, we have crossed the around 820, we at this one we have the 824 subscribers in our YouTube family. Thank you for your support, but in this year we have to grow more and more here there. Okay, so just I just want that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the videos, comment down your doubts as well. Or if you are still facing any issues and if you want any specific topic video as well, so just do let me know in the comment section of video as well. I will definitely create the video for you. Or guys, I am available for the one-to-one mentorship on the topman.io. Book your session right now If you face any issues, if you want to discuss with me anything, or if you are the fresher, you want to like you are seeking the guidance, guys, just book your session right now, right here. Don't get delay, or trust me, you will definitely get the results from me as well. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye, have a good day.